rearrangement of sentences, which we discussed in the last lecture. If you remember, in the last lecture, we discussed some of the rules of rearrangement, and after that, now today we will discuss about it. Okay, Sandeep, good evening. Now, this is your first question. First of all, what you have to do, only you have to rearrange the sentence, as there are 5 sentences A to E. If you think, see, as we mentioned, the first sentence should be noun. So first of all, you have to find noun, or you can also choose a sentence which start with any article, right? And after that, you have to make sentence as if you think D is the first sentence or B is the first sentence. So you have to make any sequence like this. I have written now, but this is wrong. Now you can make sequence of their own. After that, you will solve the questions. Okay, now read the sentences and tell me what will be the right sequence. Read the 5 sentences. And after that, tell me what will be the right sequence. As we cannot start sentence with E, as it is demonstrative pronoun. This sentence also starts with verb. We cannot take it as a first sentence. The first sentence can be D or B. Now tell me the right sequence. I don't think you have done practice, but now there are, I think, 9 to 10 questions today, which we will discuss. Yes, guys. Jibin, Manoj, Aditya, Latesh, Raj, Sandeep, D, E, B, C, A. Jibin said, I have also given you hint. The first sentence can be D or B. Now, according to the sense, you have to take in consideration that what will be the first sentence. Yeah, read it carefully. Srivastava, Sandeep, D, C, E, A, B. Oh, okay. Actually, I don't think it is that much difficult. It is easy. That's why I have put it at the first. Except Jibin and Sandeep, no one replied. Okay, I can give you one more hint. Why we use between? We use between when we talk about two units. It may be two persons or two places or anything. Okay, Vaibhav said BADCE. Rest of the candidates. Raj said BDCEA. Raj, there is a little bit mistake. You can correct it now. As some of the candidates have mentioned C after D, as it is full stop. So the next sentence can't be started with a verb. So please take into consideration. Harsh Jain said BD. Harsh Jain, very good. Only one candidate has given right answer. Okay, now the right sequence is, just wait. The right sequence is B, D, E, C, A. Only Harsh Jain gave the right response. As first of all, how you can make sequence? Firstly, I said the sentence can be start from a noun or from any article. If you see that the announcement by India and Pakistan of plans to operationalize a visa-free corridor between. Now we are talking about between. It means there should be two persons or places. Now we are talking about places between Dera Baba Nanak in India, Indian Punjab, and Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan's Punjab heeds a long-standing plea of Sikh pilgrims. After that, they are talking about that. Now that demand, we use that for point out. That demand had gathered pace in 1995 when Pakistan renovated the Kartarpur Gurdwara. Now we are talking about Kartarpur Gurdwara, which now situated on the side of the bank of Ravi, where the founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak, spent his last 18 years. And after that, leaders from both sides, including Prime Ministers Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Benazir Bhutto, had pushed for it. This is the right sequence. Now please make the proper link. Only one candidate has given right answer. This is your second question. There are also 5 sentences and it is also easy. Now read the, read the sentences carefully and tell me.